How to make cinematic AI videos with Sora. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, let us understand what makes a video cinematic. Cinematic video requires a visual storytelling, a dynamic movement, a dramatic lighting, a emotion, and intentional framing. So go ahead and draft a prompt in such a way that it includes all of these mentioned elements. For instance, you can start with a powerful prompt that includes the scene and the subject along with the motion and the camera and the lighting and the mood of the prompt. So for instance, I will type in a drone shot of a young woman walking through a sunlit city street, smiling and coming towards the camera, passing by cars, people talking in the background, a light rain hitting the pavement in golden hour, and is made in cinematic documentary style. So the key cinematic elements here is slow motion, mood-rich setting, atmospheric effects such as rain or dust or fog, close-up or wide angle, emotional stillness or tension. And now once you are done entering the prompt, choose the duration, aspect ratio, resolution, and the style of your prompt. You can also add visual motion such as environment, subject, that is walking slowly, turning head or gazing into distance, and you can add camera actions such as aerial view, slow pan. I have entered a drone shot here. You can also use cinematic vocabulary in prompts such as the lighting as I entered golden hour, the mood which includes epic, hunting, or peaceful. You can include styles such as cinematic or film look. Finally, tap on the send button, and with this, your prompt generation process will begin. The process might take 30 to 90 seconds depending on the prompt generation you have entered. So this is how you can make cinematic AI videos with Sora. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.